Marabao Dabe DJ Zubis Luxury Clothing.
At DJ Zubis Luxury Clothing, we offer the finest men's wears for every occasion, from wedding kaftans to classic wristwatches, sunglasses, shoes, and traditional Nupe styles. Come shop with us at DJ Zubis Luxury Clothing.
This is DJ Zubis Luxury Clothing, Bida, located opposite Iso Garage. For wedding clothes, shoes, caps, wristwatches, and more. Come shop with us. Always fresh, always stylish. See you soon at DJ Zubis Luxury Clothing.
Do you want to create advert video with AI, just like the video you just watched right now? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you the method I use to create the short advert video you just watched right now. I'm going to show you the method I use in this video, so make sure you watch this video to the end. Never you skip any part, because if you decided to skip some part, the part you skip may be most important part you need to watch to get everything done right. So don't skip any part. Meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button, because in this channel we'll teach you how you can use AI to edit image, how you can use AI to create videos, how you can use AI to write or do anything with AI. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop videos, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now let's go dive into it. Let me show you the method I use to create that short advert video you just see right now. Let's get started. Now to get started, head over to Chatgpt. If you have been following me in this channel, you will know that yes, I've been talking about Chatgpt and also how you can use Chatgpt. So if you don't know how to use Chatgpt, you can check on this YouTube channel. I've shown you how you can install Chatgpt on your phone and also how you can use Chatgpt. So right now, this is Chatgpt. This is what I give Chatgpt to give me that prompt. First, I started like I want to create video advert using VEO3, Google VEO3 about DJ Zubis luxury clothing at Bida, Niger State. And on the luxury clothing, they sell any type of men wears like kaftan, cap, shoes, glass, wristwatch, and more. So the advertiser should be a young Nigerian man on his 20s, putting on white kaftan with white Nupe man cap, wristwatch, black shoes, and also white trouser, dressing up like a young Nupe man on his 20s. So as you guys can see how I write my prompt, what I was telling Chatgpt so that it can be able to prompt it for me. And I also go ahead and say, now the first scene should be where the young man walking inside the DJ Zubis luxury clothing, introducing where the place, talking in Nigerian language, and men should be in the place buying clothes. The second scene should be camera showing the same man on the first scene putting on the same wear, but this time it should be sitting on office chair, talking about things you can get on DJ Zubis luxury clothing, things like shoes, wedding clothes, wristwatch, glass, and more. So you guys are following up. This is what I was giving Chatgpt so that it can be able to generate the scene for me. Then the next one, I said the third scene should be the same young man on the scene 1 and scene 2, putting the same clothes, wears on the scene 1 and 2. But this time, it should be standing at the front. The DJ Zubis luxury clothes, the same DJ Zubis luxury clothes should be written on the top of the shop with same. This time it should be facing the camera, talking outro of telling people to always come to DJ Zubis luxury clothes for shopping anytime. See you soon on DJ Zubis luxury clothing, opposite Iso Garage, Bida. So you guys can see. Hope you are reading through with me. This is what I was giving Chatgpt so that it can be able to generate the prompt for me, and you guys will see the outcome of the prompt. So I continue said, so to add this on the main cloth, there should be a written of Nupe Flavor TV on the cloth as a badge. I wanted to write badge, so sorry. It's cloth for the all scene. I believe you can write something good. I want you to act like a professional prompter to prompt me to fit with VEO3 so that I can create the video that everyone will like. So you guys can see this is all what I write to Chatgpt, and this is what Chatgpt said. Here is a professional structured VEO3 video prompt design and professional for your AD concept. This prompt will guide VEO3 to generate high quality, cinematic and cultural rich. So you can just see what he said. Now this is the prompt. Now from scene 1, as you guys can see, scene 1, he said working introduction. As I can see, interrogation and invest. So he said a young Nigerian man in his earlier 20s worked confidentially into a. So if you look at this prompt, right now and watch the video, the first video which I play on the axe, you can see that the prompt matches what the video just did. So as you can see, this is the first prompt. I will also leave down this prompt. If you need this prompt, you want this prompt, I will leave it down on my Telegram channel. So, and the link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. Go and click on the link so that it will take you to my Telegram channel, and you can join my Telegram channel and get this prompt. So as you guys can see, this is the second prompt here. As you can see on my, so earlier, you guys, if you observe what I was telling Chatgpt, I tell him to give me scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. So as you guys can see, scene 2, talking office talk, as you can see. So cuts are the same. So this is the prompt he gave to me. This is the third prompt. So I copied the prompt. When I copied the prompt, I have to edit it. Yes, I have to edit it. And this way, this is how I edit it. Go to my notepad here. Let me take you guys to my notepad. This is the prompt. So now, as you can see, this is the first one. Work introduction, as you can see. This is the first one. The second one, as you can see, cut into the same young man in the same clothes. So this is the prompt I use. I edit it just little by changing of some things that I see that is not fit. So I change it. Then after I change the prompt, I've copied it and saved it here. After I change it, then you now go to this website. This website called labs.google.com. First, I will be leaving down the link to this website in the description of this video. And if you have not used this website before, you have not been following me, this is the first time you are seeing this video, so you can check other videos in this channel which will teach you how you can register on this website and also how you can start creating videos in this website. I've recorded a lot of videos. I've done videos about that, and those videos are in this channel, so you can check them out and see how you can start. So the next thing, all you just have to do, as you can see, this is the first prompt. I just give him the prompt. As you can see, I just copied the prompt. From this place, I copy the first prompt here. After copying it, I paste it here. I've already shown you guys how you can generate something like this. And after pasting it, this is the result it gave to me. So after doing it, this is the result it gave to me. This is the result, as you can see. So I also copy the prompt 2, and this is the result it gave to me. I copied the prompt 3, everything. As you can see, all the prompts, it generated it for me. So, and if you don't know how to generate video, after you copy the prompt, you copy what you want to do, all you just have to do, you click here and you put this text to video. Then the next thing, you click here also and you change this to VEO3 fast text to video, as you can see, and audio. Then the next thing, you paste your prompt here, and when you paste your prompt, you click on generate and it will start generating your videos. So if you don't know how to do it, you don't know how to use it, let me know in the comment section of this video. I will give you the video which I've made about how you can start setting up on Google VEO3 for free, and also how you can use it. I have a videos which I've done that on my YouTube channel here. You can go and watch those videos. So after you have prompted all your videos, you have generated all your videos, you have saved them, the next thing you are going to do, over to CapCut to combine the video together. Now let me take you guys to my CapCut and show you guys how I make this to be the best video you guys watched moment ago. So on my CapCut, I import the videos. As you can see, I import the first one. This is the second scene. This is the last scene. As you can see, I just import everything, and after importing everything, I edited it, and that is how the video sounds so nice. So as you can see, I can play it for you guys to watch again if you really want to watch it. Let me play it for you guys to see after editing everything.
Maraba Odabe DJ Zubis Luxury Clothing.
At DJ Zubis Luxury Clothing, we offer the finest menswears for every occasion, from wedding kaftans to classic wristwatches, sunglasses, shoes, and traditional nupe styles. Come shop with us at DJ Zubis Luxury Clothing.
This is DJ Zubis Luxury Clothing, Bida, located opposite ISO Garage. For wedding clothes, shoes, caps, wristwatches, and more. Shop with us, always fresh, always stylish. See you soon at DJ Zubis Luxury Clothing.
So you guys can see that is how I make everything possible, and I edited it and it sounds so nice like this. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comment section of this video. I'll explain to you much better. See you on my next video.